vegetarian is easy and delicious. Do you like to eat cabbage?
Stir-fried cabbage with olive vegetables tastes savory and crispy, with a rich Kyoju-style flavor. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, which helps boost immunity and improve digestion. Olive vegetables have a savory, umami taste with a distinctive fermented flavor and a hint of spiciness. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, shiitake mushroom, olive vegetable, ginger, wash and tear cabbage into small pieces. Tearing cabbage by hand preserves its natural fiber structure, resulting in a crisper and chewier texture when stir-fried. Chopped ginger and set aside. Stir-frying cabbage with minced ginger adds a spicy aroma that removes earthiness, leaving a warm, subtly sweet aftertaste. The bold heat of ginger contrasts with cabbage's sweetness, creating an appetizing dish that warms you up in cooler weather. Sliced shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms have a dense, velvety texture with a slight springiness, becoming plump and juicy when braised in sauces. Dried shiitake boast an intense, smoky, woody aroma, while fresh ones offer earthy freshness with a lingering aftertaste. Add cooking oil to the wok. Saute chopped ginger until release aroma. Stir-fry sliced shiitake over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes until edges turn golden, releasing woody aroma with a crispy outside, creamy inside texture. Mushrooms will release water. Initially keep stir-frying until fully evaporated to concentrate umami. Add a tablespoon of olive vegetable and stir-fry. When stir-fried in hot oil, olive vegetables release an intense fermented bean aroma with crispy preserved radish notes. Cook until edges curl and turn glossy black, transforming saltiness into savory sweetness with a hint of garlicky spice. Its umami permeates dishes as a Kyoju-style flavor base, adding deep, savory undertones. Add cabbage and stir-fry together. Stir-fry over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until leaves turn translucent but stems remain crisp for perfect texture. Overcooking turns it mushy, yellow, draining sweetness like chewing wet paper. Optional to seasoning with salt and sugar to taste. When olive veggies hit the hot oil, an intense fermented umami bursts out with garlicky and preserved radish aromas, evoking Kyoju's essence. As cabbage meets the wok, its fresh sweetness dances with shiitake's earthiness, evolving into toasty nutty warmth under high heat. When combined, their savory, sweet, and smoky notes build depth, finished with a mouth-watering sizzle of soy sauce. Stir-fried cabbage with shiitake and olive vegetables is now ready. Plated up and enjoy. Savory umami leads with complex layers. Asterisk. The fermented saltiness of olive veggies infuses each cabbage leaf, while shiitake's woody depth creates a robust base, a trio of salty, savory, sweet notes. Textural symphony. Cabbage stays crystal crisp, shiitake glide with bounce, and olive veggie bits add chewiness. 3 textures in one bite. Sweet afterglow. Initial bold umami mellows into cabbage's natural sweetness, finishing with shiitake's toasted nut aroma and olive veggie's spicy whisper. Its boldness jolts taste buds awake. Savory juices coat every grain, compelling you to empty 3 bowls of rice.
What are the benefits of eating cabbage?
Rich in vitamin C and K asterisk, cabbage provides immunity-boosting vitamin C and bone-supporting vitamin K for blood clotting. Cabbage is high fiber and low calorie, with just a 5 kcal, 100 g. Its fiber promotes the satiety ideal for weight management. Cabbage contains sulfur antioxidants. Compounds like sulforaphane offer anti-inflammatory and potential anti-cancer benefits. Cabbage with prebiotic effects. Its fibers feed gut probiotics, enhancing digestive health. Cabbage helps blood sugar and lipid regulator. Its soluble fiber slows sugar absorption and reduces cholesterol. Cabbage helps to act as eye and skin protector. It lutein and beta-carotene shield eyes, while vitamin C boosts collagen. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.